Welcome to our next lesson in quadrilateral. So in this we will find out some of the angles and properties of the parallelogram. First problem, find the angles the following diagram. It's a parallelogram. Given. So what are the properties of the diagonals bisect each other? That point we can easily make out. So we'll mark the parallel ABC. Now AD is parallel to BC and AB is parallel to BC. Now given is angle B is given. Angle B is 30. Now AC and DB bisect. So now what we do, AB is parallel to BC. So the this angle ABO and DBC, these two are equal because all these two are parallel. It's alternative angles. So the angle BDO is also BDO is equal to 30. This 30 is given. Now ABO angle is equal to 30 degree given. Is also is equal to BDC. Because they are parallel, its alternative angles are equal. Similarly, so this AC and BD bisect each other, and also this angle AOD or AOB or BOC or DOC, all this angle they are perpendicular. This 90 degree. When this is 30, the remaining angle is 60 degrees. So BAO, what we say, AOB is equal to, because diagonals bisect. So here DO is equal to OB and AO is equal to OC. So when this is 60, so we know this is 30, this is 30. What about other angles? Now angle A is 60, so alternative angle this is 60. Now this is 30. So angle BAO is equal to 60 degree. 180 minus 90 minus ABO. This is 30. BAO is equal to 60 degrees. Similarly, angle ACD is equal to 60 degrees. It is alternative angle of BAO. So next problem. Now here ABCD is a parallelogram. Angle C is given. Angle C is equal to 112. So it is not 100. It is 112. So we have to find out the remaining angle. Now if these AB and DC are parallel, so one of the rule is sum of the two adjacent angles is equal to 180. If this is 112, angles B plus properties, angle B plus C is equal to 180. Now angle B is equal to 180 minus C, or 180 minus angle C is given, it is 112. So angle B is equal to, if we deduct, it is 68 degrees. Total angle B is equal to 68. What about angle D? B, or so parallelogram is this opposite angle, sorry, angle A is equal to 112, if the angle B is 68, D is also 68. Angle D is equal to angle B is equal to 68. Now, in the angle B, we have got BDA is equal to 40. So the remaining, this is 68 degrees. Huh? This is 28. So 40 plus 28 is 68. This angle we know. Now, he says, what is this x? This alternative angle, So this is also x is equal to 28 degrees. Angle BDC is equal to angle D minus BDA, angle BDA is equal to 68 minus 40 is equal to 20. Now angle ADB is equal to angle BDC is equal to 28 degrees, alternative angles. There is x. X is ABD. Oh, sorry, this is AB. This is ABD, not ADB, ABD. Or this is angle x. X is equal to 28 degrees. So what is angle A? Angle A is also equal to 120 degrees. So in a parallelogram, adjacent to sum of two angles is equal to 180. And opposite angles are equal. These two properties. So next, from the diagram parallelogram, find out whether the following conditions are correct or not. First condition to give angle A plus C is equal to 180. Actually, angle A plus B is equal to 180. Parallelogram. If angle A plus C is, can it be 180? It can be. That means it's a rectangle. Or see, if this is 90, this is 90, this is also 90. That or 90, that is possible. So this possibility is that it's a rectangle. Yes. Actually, as per conditions, angle A plus B is equal to 180. If angle A plus C is equal to 180 condition, if we apply, B is equal to C, B is equal to, so all these three angles are equal means then so B is equal to D. So this is B is also equal to D. Therefore, all angles are equal to 90 degrees. So it's a 90 degree all angles. Therefore, it is a rectangle. So this is possible. So the answer is yes. Correct. Yes or correct. Next possibility is AB is equal to D is equal to 8 centimeter. Opposite two sides are equal to this AB and D is equal to 8 centimeters. And AD and BC are different. AD is 4, this is 4.4. So it's not correct. Opposites are not equal. In parallelogram it should be equal. So it's not correct. Next sum. Angle A is equal to 70. Angle A is equal to 70. Another is angle C is equal to 65. So opposite angles are not equal. So opposite angle should be equal. So therefore, the parallelogram that is not correct. The properties if we understand. What will happen if all the four sides are equal in a parallelogram? If all the four sides are equal, that will become a rhombus. It's called a rhombus. So we'll study more about the parallelograms. Okay, next lesson. Thank you. So please repeat the problems and convince that these answers are correct. So you please draw the diagrams as far as possible and try to mark it for each case. So you try to analyze. That will give you, so you must be able to remember the key points. So one practical way of this, make a parallelogram. You take a paper, cut it, like this. What are conditions of parallelogram? So you take this one side as 4, one side as 2. You make an angle. You can take 60 or 70 or any angle. This you cut and measure the angles and try to convince you. You can, and then you just study the properties. How the triangles are equal, what is the angle, like if this is 4 2, what is this angle, what is, you try to study. Please make a paper cutting and you mark the paper also like ABCD, and cut this into two portions and then try to study which triangle is equal to which one line. If you study, we'll be able to remember the problems easily. Thank you.